I've already posted a video going into this last dance year on what each of the arabesques are. Today I want to talk about some of the different heights and stuff that we're able to do with them though. Oftentimes we hear the term arabesque and we just instantly think of our leg going mile high into the air and this really gorgeous pose that we're able to do, or a really strong pose that we're able to strike. And there are different ways that we're able to do that. So there are three kind of levels that we need to talk about. One would be on the floor, in which case the arabesque, your working foot is touching the floor. You have a half height where you lift that leg about halfway to where it's going to go. And whichever arms, whichever arabesque you're doing, this applies to all of them. From there you would have your full height. You are at your max capacity, whether you're doing a 90-degree arabesque or you're going for your 135. That would be the final height that you could achieve. So again, you can go from the ground, your half height, and lastly, your full. Now when you're doing this in our leveled programs, I actually have us gradually increase our height abilities. So we're working on that, and we work on how to engage our backs for that full lift, so our back and our hips are all trained for each of those height requirements, depending which school of ballet we are working on. I hope this helps. I will see you tomorrow.